Hello friends, myself Mukul Barwant on the behalf of a Department of Botany, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we are going to conduct the practical number 2 that are the from the MSc part 2nd, which are practical based on the BODT 234 of the seed science. In this practical number 2, the aim of today's practical, that is the study of moisture testing by the moisture meter and the Owen meter. That is the aim of today's practical, that is a moisture determination by the moisture meter as well as a Owen method. First, gathering or the understanding the concept of today's practical. Before we know about the what is the moisture. The seed contains some amount of water inside the seed. Such the content of water is known as a moisture of seed. That can be determined by different way. In that, mostly probable two techniques or the two methods are used. That is known as a moisture meter and Owen meter. The principle of today's practical that are the conducting the two parts, that is a moisture meter, that are the totally based on the electric conductivity. So this is the diagram of a moisture meter or the instrument of a moisture meter. It is a totally work on the basis of a electrical conductivity. So what is electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity, it is nothing but the transformation or the flowing of electric charge through which a moisture will be determined. In that, first we have to keep a seed in that hopper, that is known as a hopper. First keep seed in that hopper, then press the switch of a start. In this display there is a determination of a or the moisture percentage is the display. In this way, moisture determination by the moisture meter. Then second method of a moisture determination, that is a Owen method. That is a totally depend upon the removing the moisture from that seed material. That is known as the Owen method. Let's see the procedure of today's practical. Let's see the procedure of a first part of this practical, that is the determination of a moisture by the moisture meter. In this, first the collection of a sample. Collection of sample, it is nothing but the collection of a seed from the seed lot. In this way, preparation of a seed sample by the from the seed lot. That is the first step, that is the collection of sample from the seed lot. Second step, that is the seed placed in a hopper. I have explained previously, in a moisture meter there is a upper structure or the upper panel is present, that is known as a hopper. In that hopper we have to place the seed. Then second step, the press the start switch. There are different switch are present on that moisture meter. One of that are the start switch. Press the start switch. After the few minutes, in the display our moisture of that seed will be displayed in that moisture meter. That is known as a moisture meter. Next, that is known as a Owen method. In this method, the moisture percentage or the moisture, it is determined by the removing the moisture from that seed. In that first, same way collection of sample will be done with the help of a seed lot. Then we have to determine, this technique is totally based on the removing the moisture from that sample, and how that are removed we can understand with the help of a weight of a sample. For example, initial weight, it is a more than as compared to final weight, that indicate that there is some amount of moisture are present. In the sense of there are the some experimentation work are given. First we have to take a M1, it is nothing but the weight of a container. Then we have to take on the sample number 2, that is a M2. It is nothing but the weight of a sample. Then last, that is a M3. M3, it is nothing but a weight after the drying of a seed sample. And the moisture percentage is calculated by the following formula. That is a moisture percentage. That is given by the M2 minus M3 divided by M2 minus M1 and multiply into 100. Because we are calculating the percentage of that moisture. Let's see the experimental work of this practical. Okay, first see the first technique of a moisture determination, that is a moisture meter. This is an instrument of a moisture meter. This upper structure is known as a hopper. This is known as a display unit, and there is a start switch are here. First we have to collection of sample from the seed lot, then we have to place the sample in a hopper. Here we are placing the seed sample. After we are press the switch of start. There are the different switches are present here. First we are calculating the first attempt of a moisture meter determination. For that purpose we have to press the first switch. For sometimes we have calculate the more time of a moisture percentage. For such condition there are the different switches are the given. After the pressing the first switch, in this display moisture percentage will be represent or the display, that is known as a moisture meter. Let's see the second type of a moisture determination techniques, that is a Owen method. First we have to collection of a sample from the seed lot. For example, that is a seed sample collection from that seed lot. In that, first we have to take a weight of a empty container with their lid. For example, it is a empty container with their lid. First we have to take a weight of a such container. Let's see 79.30, that is a weight of a empty container. Okay, that are the first weight are determined, that is a M1. Then second steps, weight of a sample. Sample weight can easily determine. First kept on the container on that weight balance and tear them or adjust at a 0. Then add some amount of seed which do want to determine the seed moisture percentage. The weight of a seed, that is a 10 gram. Then we have to kept that seed in a oven for the 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then we have to determine after the half hour, removing from the oven, that seed are placed again on a weight balance and determine their weight, that is a 64.35 or it can be 8.91. Let put in formula. That is a M2, it is a 10, M1, that is a 8.91, in this way moisture will be determined. First we have to determine the M1, then determine the M2, then M3. M3 it is nothing but the weight after the drying. That is actually it is a 8.91. The total weight, that means a container weight as well as the seed weight, and we get a actual seed weight, it is a 8.91, and the put that values in a formula, that is a M2 minus M3, M2 minus M1, and we get a moisture percentage, that is a 1.56. This is about today's practical moisture determination by the moisture meter and the Owen meter.